Hey everybody, I'm Marcel from TYGER Auto, and today we're going to go over the installation of our TYGER Stubby front bumper on a Jeep Wrangler JK. Now this bumper is a little bit different than our Fury series bumper, which is a full width bumper. Our Stubby bumper is a little narrower, which allows for better entrance and exit angles when you're rock crawling or doing other off-road activities. This bumper also supports a relocation area for your factory fog lights, hardware for a winch, and also external mounting points for D-rings for recovery purposes. Now with that being said, let's get started with the installation. First, go over the installation instructions and make sure that all the parts are accounted for. When you're set, go under the factory bumper and remove the lower splash guard and skid plate if you have one installed. Note that neither the splash guard or the skid plate can be reused after. Next, unplug the fog light wiring harness from the bumper. Now move to the top and look for the fill panel behind the bumper and remove the clips fastening it. Slide the panel left or right to access the mounting hardware for the bumper from the top and also from the bottom. Before we uninstall the factory bumper, we suggest that you recruit help from another person. Then go ahead and remove the bolts on both the mounting plates and carefully lay it on a stable surface. Proceed to remove the fog lights and wiring harness from the bumper. For some models, you may need to further disassemble the bumper and remove the lights and harness. When it comes to reinstalling the fog lights to the TYGER bumper, go over the assembly instruction to find out what type of fog light assembly you have to determine what type of hardware you should use. Make sure that the wiring harness is installed into the back of the bumper. Moving on to prepping the mounting surface of the bumper, insert the bolt and nut plates into both mounting plate slots on both sides and then screw the plastic retainers into the threads that hold the plate in place. With assistance, lift and hold the bumper assembly up against the mounting surfaces for alignment. Consider using a jack or a block to temporarily support the bumper while you line up the bolts to the holes. Then proceed to attach the bumper to the mounting plates as shown. Do not fully tighten the hardware at this time. For those of you who wish to install a winch to the bumper, follow your winch manufacturer's instructions to properly attach the plate to the top of the bumper and connect it to the electrical system. Remember to never wind the rope over the top of the winch drum. Finally, level and adjust your bumper as needed. Once you're happy with the alignment, go ahead and tighten all the hardware. Finish off the installation by attaching the license plate bracket with your license plate and reattach the wiring harness to your fog lights and electrical sway bar if equipped.